In this video, we are going to learn about campaigns, so which comes under your CRM, customer relationship management. What do you mean by campaign? In CRM, that's your customer relationship management within an ERP, that's enterprise resource planning system. Campaigns refer to planned marketing or promotional activities designed to reach your specific customer groups with targeted messages, offers, or information. A campaign is a structured marketing initiative used to promote your products, services, events, or brand awareness. It's managed through the CRM module of the ERP system and helps your businesses plan, execute, track, and analyze your marketing efforts. So this is termed to be as your campaigns. So this slide consists of your campaign details, which holds up your campaign name, which you're going to give it as a CycleFest, followed by the item ID, and so the item description, that's of bicycle, for which you're going to do it of, and so the type you're going to give it as direct marketing. So the sponsors have mentioned as Hercules, and so the target audience we are going to target of your general customers. So come, let's see how we are going to enter it on our ERP. For that, let's move on to our login page. And so this is a login page. So here enter the username and password. And now click on login. Now click on CRM. At transaction, you have your campaigns. So click over it. So this is a screen of your campaigns where you can create it and where you can filter it by giving a search. So now in order to create it, click on this add icon. So here it comes under your campaign prefix, which has been given at your voucher setup. Then comes a campaign name, that's of CycleFest. And comes your campaign for whether it's for all products or for group, and so I have chosen it as for all products. Then I'm selecting the item, that's of bicycle, and the campaign type, I'm giving it as direct marketing, which has been given setup at marketing. Then comes your start date of the end date of a campaign. Start date is of 9, where you can select it, and so the end date I'm giving it as 14. Then you'll be giving of your currencies. In the budget cost, so budget cost is the total amount planned to spend for the campaign. So here I'm giving budget cost as a 5 lakh. Then comes the sale count. So sale count is a total number of actual sales closed because of the campaign, where I'm giving it as. Then comes expected response, is whether it's of average, excellent, good, or poor. So I'm giving it as good. Then we have the response count. So total number of people who responded to the campaigns we'll be mentioning over here. So our response count would be of 800. Then comes your revenue. So revenue is the total money earned from the campaign through sales or deals, where I'm giving it as. Then comes your ROI, that's return on investment, where it's been of your revenue minus your budget cost divided by your budget cost into 100, terms your ROI. So there is a formula of it. Then after giving all such entries, you'll be clicking on the tick icon, that's of save. So when you give tick, it will be getting saved off. And so in addition, we have the campaign ID, which has been generated automatically, followed by your close date, and so the status that's been of planning. After giving post, it will be turned to active. Then we have plan and actual. So plan consists of your start date, end date, budget, cost, revenue, and so on, which has been given at front. When it's of actual, it's the real scenario of now, which consists of your start date when it's been actually started off. So here let me give it as 10, and followed by the end date I'm giving it as 14. And so the actual cost, I'm giving it as and so the revenue then comes your revenue and followed by your return of investment, then comes your actual response where I'm giving it as good, then comes a response count, followed by your sale count, numbers sent whether by it's mail or something which we can enter it off in digits, then followed by your sponsors. So here I'm choosing my sponsor from the LOV, that's of Hercules, and so the type, whether it's of platinum, gold, silver or others. So after giving, you'll be clicking on the stick icon, and this bin icon is for cancellation of it. If you do not want to proceed further, you can just click on this bin icon. So now let's add up our target audience. So target audience is of general customers. So after giving all such details, click on post. And so campaigns has been activated now. And so if you look at the status now, it's been turned from planning to active. So this is what is your campaigns is. Thank you for watching.